So this is our star. It is a SR-32J with the magic guide bushing and tool detection. And what we're going to be running today is 15.5, 5/8 material. And it's Rockwell 34 to 38. And the first cut, it's going to take it down to from 5/8 material down to 0.25. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and start it. This is a sub. Doing a peck move. Chamfer. Now it's going to interpolate some threads, 1/4 28. I'll walk around back. I believe it just did a thread roll, 1/4 28. This machine has 2,000 hours on it. It's basically new. Walk back to the front. This is the bar feeder we made ourselves in the shop here. We can only run 6-foot material. So we didn't need a big, long bar feeder. This part goes on the 777. This whole part takes about 5 minutes and 40-some seconds. I'm just cutting some old grooves in there for the drill. Now it's going to drill a .049. Safety wire hole. Then after that, it's going to do the hex and deburr. While the sub, next thing it's going to do is start to drill a deep hole with the 1/8" drill. And how deep is it, Rick?
About 2.5 inches.
About 2.5 inches. Doing a little chamfer. Now it's going to start the deep drill. Now it's pecking the .049 hole, wire hole, in the head of the bolt. Now it's going to mill the hex. These are the bolts that we're making. Got a timer on the light. The light just went off, so we just turned it back on. Got about 40 seconds left. Now, it just kicked out the part on the sub. Could be seen at any time. So that's the part. And it's cutting off the part off the main on the sub, for the sub. And that's it, folks. And here's the finished product.
The hole goes all the way down to within this far of the end. So this whole bolt is drilled with an 1/8 inch hole all the way through.
Okay, well, thanks for watching.